Good morning friends, today it's 1st of September 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term outlook is as follows. So earlier we have seen that Nifty has made a top at around 26,277 way back in September 2024 and thereafter it was a continuous 5 months of negative closing before the index made a lows bottom at around 21,900 22,000 mark in March 2025, and from March the first 4 months, that is till June, the index has bounced back to the highs of 25,669. Now if we see in last couple of months, that is July and August, it has been a range to negative month. July has witnessed sharp cut followed by this last month August, when the Nifty has ended in red down minus 1.38% at 24,426 levels. So if we broadly see, a kind of double top is still there at around 26,000 odd levels for Nifty on a monthly time frame, with a crucial support close to around 24,000 mark, which if taken off can add pressure in days to come. So last week the index has ended in red down 1.78%, forming a bearish engulfing candle on weekly charts at 24,426 levels. That shows weakness first. Second, this weakness which has been created and a fresh setup which has been there last week need to sustain and survive above its immediate hurdle zone of 24,800 25,000 zone on a weekly time frame. So unless and until Nifty sustains above 24,800 25,000 zone, one need to be light and hedged with the leverage long positions, with a crucial support at around 24,300 and major 24,000 mark, below which it will be open to test the lows of 22,800. So 24,800 25,000 will be important hurdle this week that need to be taken off in order to witness any kind of fresh buying interest or short covering. Till then the bias remains range to down, and as mentioned, important support will be around 24,300, which can be looked as a tug of war because that has been a kind of double bottom support which was made in August. If we see Bank Nifty, it has also ended in deep red last month. It was down over 4% from the highs of 56,156 to the lows of 56,366, and it ended almost at its lows. Important level there will be around 55,000 mark, trading below which the bias will remain range to down. Let the index sustain above 55,000 mark for any kind of reversal signals or short covering. Till then it is open for lower lows support levels, and the immediate support for this month for Bank Nifty spot will be close to around 52,000 and major 50,000 levels. So 55,000 is going to be very, very important. If any kind of reversal has to take place, it need to sustain above that level, otherwise it will be open towards the lows of 52,000 and maybe lower in days to come. So the bearish stance remains intact till the time the index doesn't hold over their important immediate resistance levels. Most of the other indices, whether we talk about Nifty 500 or Nifty 50 or Nifty small cap, they all have formed a kind of bearish engulfing candles on the weekly charts, indicating weaknesses. That weakness need to be nullified only once it sustains above their immediate hurdle levels, which are still pending. Till then the bias remains sell on rise for most of the indices as of now. For the day-to-day Nifty futures potential trading range can be 24,450 and 24,750. We can expect a range bound to positive session today. Dips towards 24,460 and 24,380 futures level can be looked for buying, keeping a stop of 50 odd points, while pullback towards 24,700 and 24,750 can be looked for contra trading short bets, maintaining strict stop loss of 50 points. In respect with the Bank Nifty futures, which ended last session at 53,692 levels, potential trading band can be 53,500 and 54,500 zone, with supports at around 53,520 and lower 53,250 can be looked for buying, keeping a strict stop loss, while pullback towards 54,500 and 54,700 can act as a resistance, come contra trading short bets, keeping a stop of 50 odd points. Overall, today we are expecting a range bound with a slightly positive outlook. Net for this week, first couple of sessions are important. Unless and until the immediate mentioned hurdle levels are taken off, any pullback is expected to witness fresh round of selling pressure. Be light and hedged with the leverage long positions. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.